Hi guys, it's Lissa. This is Mila. She's my little accompanying me today, opening a box. I'm doing another unboxing, and this is a box that it's my first time opening this kind of box. It is called, my glasses today, Up Box, Encouragement Inside. This is what it looks like. Beautiful melon color, and it has encouraging words all over the box, which I love. Dream, sparkle, relax, everything me. Breathe, overcome, everything we should be doing, especially these times. Life, thanks, health, listen, strength, one of my favorite words ever. So, oh my God, I think my lipstick's everywhere. Anyway, so let's see what's in this. I looked up, the way I found it is I looked up boxes for women or inspirational boxes. Hair and my glasses, and that's how I found it. And so let me just see that one, and it's pretty heavy. I wonder what's in here. I didn't cheat, I didn't look it up. I just wanted to open it here and show my true reaction. So here's the box, and look, it has pretty pink paper in it, and it says, "You are altogether beautiful, becoming my darling." Becoming right there. I hope this is not a wedding box. Oops. Okay, look at that beautiful sticker. So let's see what's in here, shall we? Mila, you're leaving me? Okay, starts with a card. All boxes have a card. Welcome to Becoming Up Box, sorry. Happy May, beauties. This is your monthly reminder that you are altogether beautiful. Yes. Despite the incredible challenges that we are all facing, we are becoming better, more beautiful inside, and is what counts. Versions of ourselves as we stretch, push, and persevere more intensely than we ever have. From the Upbox family. I'm so excited, and it's pink and beautiful and floral. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so first thing I see is something I love, since I'm a writer and I just love stationery in general, and has beautiful cards with the envelopes. So, draw near to God and he will draw near to you. Oh yes, it is Christian based or inspirational. James 4:8, draw near to God and he will draw near to you. These cards are blank, so you send it to whomever and you write whatever you want. Take delight in the Lord. You can actually also, because I scrapbook and I also do a lot of journaling and Bible journaling, you can use these as postcards and part of your journaling. These are really cute. I love the art on these. Okay, very happy with that. Let's see what's next. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is. Let's check it out. Purpose fuels passion. I am loving this so far. It looks like it's like a little makeup bag, or you put your toothbrush and toothpaste when you travel. Yep. Or a pencil case. Who has a pencil case? Pencils anymore? Yeah, I do. Colored pencils when I'm coloring, and in my coloring books, adult coloring books. This is really cute. Purpose fuels passion. And it has a little, what do you call these? Oh, I forget. Anyway, I have earrings like this. I can't remember what it's called, but that's really cute. It's like a lavender with pink on it. I love this. Oh my God. Oh, notebook or journal or something. Yes, this is a home run for me already. It's from the green room, recycled notebook. That is so darling, so beautiful. I never used the word darling. I don't know where that came from, but I think they said it on the card. It is darling. It kind of applies. Look how cute. Oh my God, I have another notebook. Oh my God. You can never have too many notebooks when you're a writer and a journaler. Isn't that cute, Mila? So cute. Beautiful. Oh my God. Okay, can I just show you what this looks like? Look at those pretty, I don't know what it is, but look how cute that is. Okay, what are these? And this, okay, this is one of my favorite boxes so far. Look at this pen. It has a diamond. It has polka dots. It's pink with white polka dots. How precious. Wow. And you just turn it. That is so cute. Oh, to go with your notebook. It's so feminine and pretty and cute. I love it. And these are little flowers. This is like a scrapbooking inspirational thing. Look at these little paper flowers. Wow, so pretty. Pink, white, Oh, this makes me so happy just to open the box. Yellow, how beautiful that is. Mila, you want a bow in your hair? She's like, what is that? And a blue one. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's more. They're like all throughout the box. Paper. How precious is this? Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Don't know what I'm doing with them, but I will find something to do with these. These are really adorable. Oh my God, I love it. So if you like just that alone, so cute. And the pencil case. Okay, here's something little. Okay, let's see. 100% natural product, sorry, even with glasses. Egan's Essentials, pink sugar, essential oil blend. Pink sugar, okay. Let's see what this is. And it has the roll. Ooh, that's pretty. Actually, it smells like cotton candy. Pink sugar. That's what it smells like to me, cotton candy. You put a little on your arm, you just roll it on there. Ooh, sweet. A little goes a long way. Oh my God, this is so fun. You got all this paper and you just find cute stuff and it's all pink. Okay, look how pretty that is. The aesthetic, the packaging of this box is just beautiful and perfect. Essential hand lotion. Oh my goodness. Normal to dry hands, berry blossom. Never seen this before. I'm gonna open it. It looks like the lotion is in here. You open it here. Oh my God, and it has lotion. No way. Oh, it smells so fresh. It smells light and fresh and springy. Oh my goodness, that is really cute. And this is perfect for my purse, my carry-on when I travel. Oh my God, it smells amazing. And this is from EOS Evolution of Smooth Essential Hand Lotion. The everyday essential for soft, smooth hands, especially now with this coronavirus, washing my hands so many times. Everything in this box so far is perfection. And let's move this. They call it grass. Today it's white grass. I don't even know how I did not know about this box before, but I gotta show you again because it just is. That is just amazing. Oh my God, everything in here is just precious. There's another flower, and this one has like a pattern inside. These are just like for scrapbook. Maybe I'll make a bow and put a little, no, not having it. Okay, you are altogether beautiful, my darling. Song of Solomon 4:7. This is a hair tie. Look how cute. I mean, everything is like, and does not match the journal. And the flowers and the pen and the loofah. The loofah. Look at the ribbon. Oh, the ribbon is so cute. It's like rainbowy and it's pink. I actually need one. I actually got a, well, I have a few body lotions and I'm allergic to a lot of things. So I got the native lavender soap. Perfect, because it lathers so well. Oh, love it. Love it. Love everything in this box. Okay. I don't even know where to begin. Okay, here's a little card, and this is give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His love endures forever. Psalm 107:1. Amen to that. Yes, it does. Okay, this must be why it's heavy. Actually, there's two things in here that are heavy. This bottle, look at that packaging. How precious is that? Egan's Essentials. Egan's Essentials. Luxury relaxation in a jar. Bath Bliss, pink sugar soak. Okay, this is amazing. It literally is like sugar soap. Let's see if I can open it. If it's not. Oh, whew. I guess this theme is like summery, well, springy, summery, cotton candy, sweet, pretty, and pink all around. Oh my God, that is so cool. I've never seen. It's like little crystals in there. That is so nice. Sprinkle a little in your bath. And then you use your lotion. What are you doing, Mila? Mila! Oh my God. And look at this. This is why the box is so heavy as well. Okay, this is St. Eve's Exfoliating Body Wash, Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange. Okay, and this is 100% natural exfoliants by St. Eve's. So it's plant-based. It is cruelty-free. And it is recyclable plastic, and that's what we want to hear. So this paraben-free, dermatologist-tested formula exfoliates for radiant skin, made with 100 natural exfoliating walnut shell powder. Look at that. Okay, let's give it, I know you can't smell this, I wish you could, but I don't know if it opens. Oh my god, it kind of like matches with like, oh, love it, love everything. Okay, we have like a cute little box, another pink item. It says joy. Is that like my favorite word ever? If you've watched any of my other videos, I choose joy. Yes. The pink one. It's a razor blade, razor cartridges. How cute. Joy, the pink, it says the pink one. The choice is yours. What brings you joy? Follow us on Instagram to share. Meet joy refreshingly simple. We get it. You have more important things to do than shave. With joy, you get a surprisingly great shave so you can get back to life. And here's what you get in this little box. Two 5-bladed refill cartridges, a protective Lubra strip, a non-slip grip, important, in your favorite color, in this case, pink. Okay, so let's see what it looks like. Everything in this box I'm absolutely keeping, not gifting. Sorry. This one is this is a treat. This is, everything in here is a treat for me. Oh my god. I know it's just a razor. This is what it looks like in the box. How cute. It's like a pale pink. And it's like rubbery, so like the grip, they weren't lying about that. That you hold it, there's no way this is slipping out of your hands, even wet. And it says joy on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it says joy here. Anyway, that is, oh my goodness, this is so cute. And it has the refill razors. You just remove it here, reattach it, and you probably get a few uses out of it. And this is gonna come in handy now that with the corona. I mean, I do shave, but not every day. All right, and now we have some postcards again for journaling. And I found another flower. I'm obsessed with these little flowers. I don't know if you can see that. There's a pattern on it. Somebody made, oh my god, look. Oh, I can't. These flowers, obsessed. This whole box. I'm definitely setting up an Instagram photo with all of this stuff. This box is perfection for me. Okay, this says today's prayer. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. Proverbs 16:3. You know, God is good, and we just need to seek him and trust, because we are in bad times. A prayer for, you have like a little prayer card you can give to someone. It's a postcard, or you can stick it in your journal, write a little prayer. Someone special you want to pray for, or something you need or need help with. Write it on there and put it in your journal. Here's another one. You are altogether beautiful, my darling. Song of Solomon 4:7. You know, this has everything I like in a box, and that was what's in it. And it's pink, and oh my God. Everything I love in a box. Not only is it inspirational for me, which is all I'm about, joy, key word for me, one of my favorite colors. I'm a navy blue girl, but I mean, I have Lily Pulitzer on, it's pink, pink lipstick. This is just a happy, 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 beautiful box with a little turquoise thrown in, and a beautiful pink loofah, and this little lavender case. You can put everything in there. This beautiful pen, which I need. Some little pocket lotion and a little sweet, everything. The cards, the hair tie. Look how much is in this box. I believe this box was $45. It's in the range of the 30 to 40. I don't think it's any less than that, and it is a monthly subscription. I mean, you could skip a month, but I wanted to check it out, and I think this is going to be one of my favorites, and I just think I'm going to continue with it. And just these flowers. Anyway, I'm going to, I wish I could do that in slow motion. Anyway, so this is called the Up Box. Oh, that's not it. Here we go. Up Box. Encouragement inside. It's all about encouragement. You see how happy I got just by unboxing it. Look at this. How aesthetically pleasing The packaging is amazing. The products are just beautiful. I love everything in it. So that's what it is. You can find this on Cratejoy, or you can just go to, I think it's on here. I think it's, I found it on Cratejoy. Okay, here we go. www.upwards.me. UPBOX. So it's upwards. Looking to God for encouragement, looking to yourself, looking to good people, and to joy around you, and to these things that make you happy, these little moments, these little treasures. Life is not about things, but once in a while you just need a little sparkle in your life. This is just, anyway, very pleased with this box. I will give it a great review. This is amazing. Thank you for watching. Again, Lissa, Mila, Mushka, we hail from New York. And I hope everyone remains safe. Grab on to some joy when you can, and God bless.